Hello everyone, I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and we're on our Clear Lake project checking on the tile work. And here I'm in the powder room. And as you can see, we have this absolutely beautiful marble. It's a Calcutta marble that's got golds and greens. This client really loves teal greens, so we incorporated that into this. And then of course we have a really beautiful tile here on the back wall where the vanity is going to go, that's also a green. We're going to be building them a beautiful 30-inch custom vanity and some wall mount fixtures. We've also installed across the hall from us the flooring for the laundry, which is very different and beautiful, so we can take a look at that. So here's the laundry room, and we have already installed the flooring in here, which again, this client really loves color, so this was a beautiful choice for her. Again, going back to that kind of teals greens with a little bit of orange rusty color. We're going to be building her a whole new section of built-in cabinets here, which she's going to have hanging space, built-ins, place for an ironing board, and it's going to be a lot more functional for her. And then on the other side where her washer and dryer is, we're just going to be refacing and painting and putting a beautiful countertop in here, as you can see from the old photos. And then we're going to insert some renderings here. You can see what the final outcome is going to be. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more from this project.